At Conveyor and Caster, we understand the importance of testing a material handling solution before purchasing it for your warehouse. It is best when the decision makers and users of a potential solution not only see it, but also try it out. Our headquarters in Westlake, Ohio has many of our most popular solutions on display and available for our customers to interact with. If you're looking for the right caster solution for your products, we have an entire room and warehouse dedicated to casters. Have things to move? We have a wide range of conveyors, from simple to complex, light duty to daily industrial use. While you're here, take our Amigo for a spin. If it's inventory storage solutions you need, it's innovative solutions we have. From a fully functioning VLM machine, state-of-the-art pallet and flow racking displays, and a variety of cabinets, toolboxes, and workstation demos, we have the solutions to equip your team with the storage that will make them the most efficient. When it comes to wire cages and safety products, we have you covered. From a fully functioning driver's cage, installed rack back to prevent falling inventory, and plenty of guardrail and gate options, you can come check out some of the latest products to keep you, your employees, and your inventory safe. Looking for more space inside your existing walls? We have solutions like mezzanines, in-plant office material samples, and a team of engineers ready to help you solve even the most complex needs. Our demonstration areas are ready and waiting for you. Come experience what 60 years of material handling expertise looks like. Conveyor and Caster. Total Warehouse Solutions.